Namaste, I'm Indranil Banerjee, journalist and woodworker based in Greater Noida, India. As you know, the COVID-19 infection in this country has only been rising. And I think it's become very important that you use face masks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can very confidently build a very simple rack for storing your face masks and your hand sanitizers. So follow along. It's a very simple design which can be modified by anyone. You'll need just a few strips of wood to make this project. 2 strips. These can be thicker or thinner, longer, as you wish. It's not absolutely written in stone what dimensions you have to use for this project. So basically just 2 strips of wood here and then another strip over here, actually on the top over here, and you're going to put your hooks on this strip of wood, and these 2 are going to get fixed onto the wall. And down below we'll make a box with these pieces where you can keep your hand sanitizers, and for that you'll need a few more pieces of wood. This is all scrap that I've got lying around, and that's all that you need for the project. Very simple. The first thing that we're going to do is to try and make the box. So for the box we need these pieces. From this I'll make the sides, cut it. And this one, nice piece which I've laminated 2 pieces of ash with 1 piece of oak in between. So this I'm going to use for the front. So this is going to be the front of the box. This piece will be the back, and I'll have to plane them to the same size. So for that I'll use my hand plane. And this one is going to be the bottom. So it's going to come like this. And you need to cut these 2 pieces for the sides. So now these 2 pieces are of the exact same size. All we need to do is cut it here, and our sides are ready. This joinery for putting together this simple box is going to be overkill. So I'm just going to use glue, and that should do. Now we got the 2 sides, we just need to fix them. slides in, the box is ready. All we need to do is to hand it, and very important to break the edges so that your fingers don't get cut. Now, this is the piece that's going to go on the top. And there's nothing really we need to do about it. It's just going to go like this on top, and we're going to have these coat hooks attached to them so that you can hang the masks on these hooks. So this is good enough, except that let's jazz it up a wee little bit by rounding the corners. So we've got these two battens, and on these battens we're going to fix this one on top and this one at the bottom, like this, and that'll be it. So as you can see, this is a very simple project. I think anyone can do it. Even a beginner can take it up as a first project. And once you've built this rack, hang it somewhere near the door so that once you come into the house, you take your face mask, you put it up there, and then you dispense some hand sanitizer and you're ready to go. So stay safe, build this with confidence, and good luck.